the DEC2BIN function. DEC2BIN is the short form for decimal to binary. This function converts a decimal number into its binary equivalent. It can only cope with decimals ranging from minus 512 to 511. The result can be padded with leading zeros, although this is ignored for negatives. The syntax is DEC2BIN, the decimal number, comma, places to pad, but the places to pad option is not compulsory. Now let's see this table. This is the decimal number 0, the binary equivalent. You use your DEC2BIN function over the CA, and when you click enter, you have it as 0. The binary equivalent of 0 is 0. For 1 is 1, for 2 is 1 0, for 3 is 1 1, for 511 is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. For 512, it throws in an error because it doesn't work beyond 511. So for negative, you have it accordingly up to minus 512. Now let's consider using the places to pad part of the function. If I have 1 as my decimal number and I want the places to pad to be 1, so in my formula I will put equals DEC2BIN C17, that's the number I want to change to binary, comma, places to pad D17, which is 1. If I click enter, it's just 1. For this next one, if I want to pad to 2 places, I'll do the same thing. I'll click enter, so that is 0 1. If I want to pad 1 to 3 places, 0 0 1. So the padding is just the leading zeros that you want to add to your binary equivalent. If I want to pad 1 to leading zeros of 9, it will add 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 zeros, making all the total digits to be 9. So if you use the padding for negative number, it does not show. So that is that about this function, changing from decimal to binary. Thank you for your time in this lesson. See you in the next one.